Hello and welcome to OneSub video tutorials. My name is Reema. I'm a part of support team here at OneSub. In today's video, we will see how to set up user notifications for your chatbot. Now, setting up user notification for your chatbot allows your users to receive real-time alerts whenever a certain chatbot transaction occurs. It ensures that your right team member is alerted immediately whenever a high priority conversation is happening. It also gives you an ability to trigger an internal message or an email whenever a visitor answers a qualifying question, even if they don't complete the entire chatbot interaction. Now, what is the use case of this kind of feature and why do we actually need it? So, it helps your users to be prepared in advance for the meeting because they will already have all the necessary context before they actually engage with the client. They will be able to respond immediately because they have already received the alerts about the high priority conversations. Also, your users will be able to engage more proactively with the clients because they already have all the necessary data that they need for the meeting. So, there's one more important thing to note when using user notification. The chat transcripts are only for the internal purpose and it is only sent to your users. It is not sent to the customers. So, let's get started with the steps. We would first need to sign into a OneSub account and click on chatbots here on the left hand side. Then we need to open our chatbot on which we want to apply the setting. Now, this is the flow of interaction for this bot. On the right hand side, if we scroll down to the bottom, there's an option of user notification. We will click on it and it will insert the interaction within the flow. We can drag it upwards or downwards depending upon our preference where we want to place it. Once it has been placed, let's add the details for this interaction. First, we'll enter the internal label. Internal label is only for the internal purpose. It is not visible on the customer's end. Next is to set a setting like how you would like to notify your users. You can either notify them through a messaging platform. So it means if you are using Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Chat, then you would need to generate a webhook URL for it and then paste the link for that here. So, like I use Slack as a messaging platform. So, this is the webhook URL for Slack. If not this, the next option is to notify via an email. So, you can directly email your user. First, we will add the subject for that email. Next is the message body. So whatever text you enter in the message body, it will be received and included along with the chat transcript that your user will be receiving. Next is to add a recipient. Here you will select the user to whom you would like to send the notification and save. So now all the settings have been saved for this interaction. So how this works is currently I have placed this user notification interaction at point number 8 after this interaction. So whatever chat transcript or interaction happens till this point, that is what will be sent in the notification. So whatever interaction happens after this point, user won't receive that part of the interaction. So it will only work till this point and only users receive this transcript. Your clients don't receive any sort of chat transcript. It is only for the internal purpose. So that is how you can set up the user notifications for your chatbot. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.